But I just got done my workout at the gym. Mike's still in there because he's doing extra. I did my basics, I sweat, and I'm going back to the room because room service, we ordered room service to get the room by 10. So it's like 9:40 something right now. So hopefully we don't miss it. I need to get in the shower. We have an excursion set for 12 o'clock for pickup. So I have 2 hours. Okay, that was the escalator. But I have 2 hours to eat and get ready. So I'm about to get a head start to get ready because I'm going to take a lot longer than Mike will. Even though Mike does take a long time to get ready, he's like a girl. I'm leaving now. Here he go FaceTiming me. Let's call Mike. He about to be happy as heck. Watch. He's like, baby, please. I'm about to eat. He wants to order his own food. Alright guys, so we're finally out. Well, we're a little late, almost late.
It's burning.
It's burning hot. My face is gonna melt.
I can't even look.
I'm just trying to stay chill so that I don't sweat. I sweat a little too much.
I forgot I got my Ray-Bans. Shit.
Yeah.
That's what was missing. I'm good now. Damn. I expect this many people here.
Yeah, but this is why I didn't want to rush, because then you're running in the heat to get somewhere and all that causes you to sweat, and I don't want to sweat. So I'm trying to take my time even though we're like almost late. Whew.
It's like 90 degrees out here. We went to ATV. Yeah, zip lining, horseback riding. I'm really hot, like I'm so hot. I'm just on easy, hella bugs out here. But damn.
This is what I'm doing to collect my sweat. I'm putting my towel in it's my outfit of the day.
Oh man.
That's the thing about these excursions. Like, it's gonna take up your entire day. We're supposed to be ready by 12.
What time is it right now? It's 1 p.m.
It's 1:30.
1:30.
First of all,
they didn't get there till like, we didn't leave till like 12:40.
Right.
Maybe 12:50.
So, and it was like a 35-minute drive. We just got here and we're waiting again. And I'm hot and bothered.
As hell. Hot as hell.
And it's not even water activities. We're doing ATV, zip lining, and horseback riding, which I'm excited for because we've never been horseback riding.
Never ever.
Never.
I'm just missing the hat.
I'm just happy. I'm gonna take my
to the ride till I can't no more. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
He's telling you
me. Shit.
Babe, I'm on this one.
Now, feet up! Feet up!
Feet up!
Right muscles, stand up. Do it, señorita.
Yo, we're walking on the monkey bridge.
Babe said she wants to drive the boat. You about to drive the boat?
Let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat?
Let me drive the boat.
I bet.
Wait,
Don't kill me, don't kill me.
Alright, you got, wait. I'm from there.
That shit to pedal.
Yeah.
That shit to brake. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, baby. Go, go. Slow down, slow down. Dead ass. Go.
My eyes.
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Michael,
now.
get off of me!
No, slow down.
Bro,
Slow down.
shut
slow
up!
down.
Shut
All
up,
right,
for real.
go.
This is serious.
All right, go.
Ouch! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Shut up, for real.
I can't shut up. Go. All right, take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take them easy. All right?
I'm about to pass out. Back to the resort, take a shower, wash my face off because I'm done with makeup for the day. Alright guys, so our day is basically over. We had a great time here at Amazing ATV in Riviera Maya, Mexico. The only thing I'd say was a con was that they were understaffed, so we waited a long time for a lot of like,
Got here at what?
just to get through the zip lines took us like an hour and a half. But yeah, check out Amazing ATVs, y'all. Was lit. We did horseback riding, which we loved. I rode a horse named Sultan. She was so beautiful. Don't be minding my lace right now, y'all. I'm not late right now because...
Oh, man.
Anyway, bye. See you in the next vlog.